everyone, and welcome to Cricut Time. Subscribe to see new videos each week with project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. Hey everyone! Today we are going to be unboxing a Cricut mystery box. These come out about once a month and they sell out fast on Cricut website. So if you are interested in picking one up, jump on it as soon as you see it. The box we are opening up today is the Easter Bunny mystery box. Let's open it up and see what kind of goodies are in there today. The first thing out of the box is this roll of Cricut Everyday Ironon. This is a 2-pack and it comes with this blue cornflower color and neon yellow inside as well. Next is this roll of premium permanent vinyl. This one is purple huckleberry. I like this color and I'll definitely use it for a spring project. This roll is a glow-in-the-dark iron-on. I like that in the daytime it is a soft white instead of super yellow. This roll is a premium removable vinyl in cream. Next we have a roll of removable premium vinyl in glow-in-the-dark. This one has that classic yellow tint to it for sure. The last roll in this box is a premium vinyl permanent basics sampler. I like these sampler packs because when you open them up, there are usually lots of different colors. We have this beige one, which is called parchment, black, white, coffee, a shiny gold, and a shiny silver. I just spread them out so you can see them better. And these are all 12-inch sheets. Under all of the vinyl was this 2-pack of pink fabric mats. These are compatible with both the Maker and Explore lineups, and you want to use the rotary or bonded fabric blades with this mat for fabric. Lastly, these boxes often come with Cricut Cuties. Let's open this box up and see which one is in here. Today we have the white one. These are collectible, and he's cute. Well, there you go. This is everything that was in the Easter Bunny mystery box. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing videos, projects, and tutorials on all things Cricut.